Hey, this is Sean from Sean Enterprises. I just want to take some time out and to go over the additions to our royalty compensation plan. Um, Take a look at the chart right here in the background. This is our compensation plan. And there were changes. Under the new changes starting on December the 1st, um, we added two new money paying levels here. Um, we fall under the $100 club to $200 club. And the changes are there was just $100 club. You qualified for free gems. Now they've eliminated the free gem portion of the $100 club. And what they did is they replaced it with monthly income. So now you get $100 in team volume. Now remember that's volume. You receive $20 a month residual income. $200 club, you receive now $50 a month residual income. Under the old plan, you didn't receive any type of residuals from royalty until you reach the $300 volume mark, which is the bronze mark, and that would pay you $120 a month. That has changed the same. Silver, which is $1,000 a volume, pays you $360 a month. The gold, which is $2,000 a volume, pays $720 a month. Platinum, $3,000 a month, gives you $1,200 a month, and so on and so forth, as you can see here. Um, Commission on levels 3, 4, 5, and 6 is based on revenue generated starting August 1st, 2018. The percentage is paid out based on the number of personal sales accrues in a month as follows. Excuse me. One sale, if you get one personal sale, and that's on levels 3, 4, 5, or 6, you get 1%. Two sales equals 2%. Three sales, 3%. Four sales, 4%. Five sales equals starting August 1st, 2018 on levels 3, 4, 5, and 6. You can still earn up to 5% by acquiring personal sales. If your rank is Pearl or higher, you will automatically receive 5% of new sales, which is great when they changed that in August. Those are changes that were made in August that everybody was excited about because it actually put more money in our pocket. And now the good thing about the changes that they made to this compensation plan is that it make it easier for you to earn. You can earn for as little as $100, which a lot of times you can make on your first sale, and you can start generating revenue of $20 a month. It's not a whole lot, but it is something. Something to get you started, something to get you encouraged and to keep you going, especially for the new marketers out there. Um, Now, one good thing is that on Royalty we pride ourselves on being a technology company. And with these changes that are coming in December, we're prepared. We have the best viable option in the proximity marketing field. Um, I feel as though we have the best option that is going to work. Um, because you can't convince people to download an app on their phone, especially if they don't know you, if they don't have any type of dealings with you. They're not going to download your app onto their phone, no matter what it be. Be as an app that they can market to you, an app where you have them playing games or being social with each other. They're not going to do it. That's what they have Facebook for. That's why Royalty partnered up with some of the biggest apps and businesses and websites on the market that are already well established. We partnered up with Facebook, Instagram, CNN, Forbes, Yahoo, just to name a few, that will get your notification seen. And now we're guaranteeing you impressions. And also, something new that we added is that you can actually purchase more impressions. Let's say Facebook, for example, or Instagram, same company, and buying advertisements on those two platforms can get very expensive. But right now, we're selling impressions that will show on those platforms 1,000 impressions, you could purchase for $6, which is a big discount. Roughly on average, that's about a 40% discount on that number of impressions that you would usually get from Facebook. That's roughly a 40% discount. And that's what we do. It's just like Royaltie did not create the proximity marketing technology. That was a Google technology. It's been around, but what Royaltie did do is that they made it affordable. They made it affordable for you, for the regular Joe Schmo to use for their business and to get results from it. That's the same way we do as far as this impression package where we connected with these websites, these companies that have their apps. We've made advertising affordable. Think about that for a second. Okay, let's go down here and go over some more changes. Um, our NF gem, which is a 100-meter gem, current price is $25 a month, $12 each additional. As of December 1st, the price is going to jump to $29 for your first device and $18 additional. And they're guaranteeing you 500 impressions, which is huge. Our BF gem, which is our 400-meter gem, that's current price is currently $35 a month and $17 each additional. As of December 1st, that price will jump $2 to $37 for your first device, $26 each additional. And they're guaranteeing you 2,000 impressions a month. Our big boy, the GF Gem, which is our 1,000-meter, $45 currently, $22 each additional device per month. As of December 1st, $52 and $41 each additional. They're guaranteeing you 5,000 impressions a month. The Uplink and the Uplink Pro, no changes. They're staying the same. The changes come on the gem, of course, because of the result of Google shutting down their nearby platform, which affects our gem devices. It doesn't affect our guest Wi-Fi devices, so there's no need for their price to change. Starting December 1st, your Royaltie Gem will trigger high-quality ads that are no longer limited to 40 characters on the most popular websites and apps in the world. Your ads will reach all types of devices, including cell phones, laptops, tablets, allowing you to use this technology anywhere in the world. No limitations on where your message can be seen now, which is powerful. It just is. Now, if you are a do-it-yourselfer or you're with one of our competing companies, that's no problem. If you're looking to switch over to Royaltie because we're offering you the best solution to your proximity marketing needs, if you're a team leader and you have a downline that is looking for answers, the best answer that you could give them is for you and your downline to come over to Royaltie, and so you can keep operating the same way that you've been operating, but now even better, because I believe these changes here have improved the proximity marketing field. They haven't taken away from it. It's actually improved. Innovation. That's why you just don't get so focused on beacons and gems. You have to have a broader view when you have running a company. And the broader view gives you the insight to look forward ahead into what's coming up in the future and to be prepared for change. And Royaltie here, we are prepared for change. We are offering you the best solution for you, your company, your team, your downline, to continue to make money, to continue to advertise in a cost-effective, strong, results-proven way with proximity marketing through your gems, your devices, and now we guarantee you impressions. Well, my suggestion to you is to sign up now. Get in now. Get your team set up, get your business set up, get your downline set up, and get grandfathered in under the lower prices and save yourself some money. That's the best way to go. That's the best solution to the changes that are coming up in the proximity marketing field. Get in before the prices jump. Don't be someone left on the outside looking in because it's going to cost you some money. And Royaltie, we are in the business of saving you money and delivering you a quality product. And also along with our Onlne app, whereas we had the best CRM system in the business, You can keep track of everything that's coming in. You never lose a lead again. You can maintain your follow-up. You can manage your teams inside the system. You can store your information. We have more storage space than, let's say, if you were to use oh man, any of these cloud storage-based systems are what they charge you. All of that is included in your monthly with Royaltie. We're not charging anything extra for those services. If you have any questions, my name is Sean Cole. You can reach me 410-929-3390. If you're looking to join Royaltie before December, before the prices jump up, I would just suggest you to do so. I will put the links in the description of this video. I thank you for your time today. Have a good one.